Good evening, students. Welcome back to your channel Ach'z. So today we had Ielts and OET exams in most of the centers. So this video is for Ielts students, those who are waiting for the complete review of the section. So we are going to discuss about today's Ielts exam, 22nd February 2024. So without further delay, let's start with our section. So as usual, we will start from the listening module. So in the listening section, overall it was in easy to moderate level, and the type of questions were fill-up type of question in not completion and also in form completion format in part 1 and also in part 4. And in between part 2 and 3, the question types were matching type of question, selection of letters, and also MCQs in both short and long MCQ format. And coming towards the audio, so from most of the students, they just reported that the first part, it was an inquiry call. Second part, it was an introduction to building. And third part, it was a talk from students. And the last portion was a monologue. And if you given your exam today, means try to mention or you can share your experiences in the comment box. Now coming towards the reading module, first about the academic reading. The question categories were true, false, not given type of question, MCQs, then fill-up type of question, that 3 to 4 set of fill-up type of question, then matching type of question, that also 2 to 3 set. So that's about the question category. And from India and also from GCC, we got 2 different set of question paper. I like to share both. And the reading passages in the first set, it was electronic and paper reading related and decision making and also about painters of time. And in the second set, the reading passages about the mammals, one is about evolutionary mystery and the third one is related to technology. So like that only we got feedback from students. I hope you attended well. So as I mentioned before, you can just comment your experiences below. Now coming towards the general module reading, the passages related to mobile phone etiquette, then advertisement, one is about research policies and one another about details of a garden. So these all are the passages shared by students. And the question categories, true, false, not given type of question, multiple choice question, fill-up type of questions were more, and matching type of questions. So that's about the general module reading. Now coming towards the writing section, in task 1, the first set, the task 1 was a line graph, and in that the task 2, it was an opinion type essay. Government funding for universities should only be provided for the best students as scholarship, and all other funding for universities should come from tuition fees and private organizations. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Coming under opinion type essay, and it's better to write about your agreement and disagreement side in detail. I hope you all know the structure, the updated format and all. And coming towards the second set, task 1 was a bar graph and task 2, the key solution for the environmental issues is for the current generation to live a less comfortable life to benefit future generation. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So again, opinion type essay only. So that's about the academic module review. And for the general module students, the task 1, it was an informal letter, and task 2, it's an opinion type essay. And we will discuss some speaking topic also which students got today. So if you cross-checked, means last day we already released the important cue cards you need to prepare in the month of February. So I just mentioned around 20 cue cards in that list. From that only the students got today. The first one was describe something that surprised you and made you happy. And the second one, describe a time you used your cell phone or smartphone to do something important. It's a previous card only, but now again they started to ask. And the third one, describe a job that is useful to the society. You need to talk about a job that is useful to the society. And to the fourth one, describe a time you made a promise to someone. You need to talk about a time in which you made a promise to someone. So that's about the 4 cue cards shared by students who appeared today. So I hope you all attended well, and all the very best for your results, and you can also comment your experiences below. And along with that, I just want to make you clear about the query many of the students asked, that is about the pen or pencil, which one we need to use for IELTS exam, especially listening, reading, writing and all, those who are writing pen and paper based IELTS exam. Because there was a news spreading over, that is we need to use black ball pen, that is only one we can use. There is no any pencil and all from 22nd February. Actually, there is no any official update about that. Now also in all the official website, they just mentioned that for the listening and reading you need to use pencil, and for writing you can either use pen or pencil. That is the updation now also they published. So there is no any update officially related to that. So if it is like that, definitely we will make a video or we will let you know regarding that. Okay, so that's about the current update and the review of the day. So thank you so much for your time over, and do subscribe and just follow all the updates. Thank you so much. God bless you all.